If you love nasturtium, and they're so pretty. They're really fairly easy to grow, and the best part is they produce some fantastic seeds, and you'll never have to buy them again. So let me show you how to find the seeds. Now, what you do is you look for some old flower heads that have fallen off, and you're gonna see something like this. And this is actually the seed for nasturtium. Now, if it pops off really easily in your fingers, it's ready. This one's not coming off, so I'm kind of giving it a twist, not coming off. Let's look at this one. You can see where the flower head was. Again, you can see an old flower head, and this whole thing just popped off really fast. But if I really just roll it in my fingers pretty easily, it pops right off of the stem. So this is now a great seed that I'm gonna save, and I'm gonna let it dry up until it's brown, and then put